Hi guys, my name is Parag Paul and welcome back in our new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. And this is very interesting function which helps you to gather the data for simplified terms in very easy way. So let's take an example. Here we have one table in which I have mentioned that we have a student name, around 12 student name and their marks are mentioned here. Now, just consider maybe you might have a lump sum data, a data with 1 lakhs number of students, but from that you need to segregate only marks for few students over here with very good instant. Okay, there might be a data can be replaced with anything like a project name, a project directory, a working hours of a staff, anything like that. So now here I want to identify the data with a single click. How can I do that? That can be happen using a VLOOKUP function. So first of all, what you have to do is just go to a particular block where you want to capture the data. Just press equals to and write VLOOK. So you can see VLOOKUP function will be reflect over here. Just click on this. Now first of all, you need to select a VLOOKUP value. So what is your VLOOKUP value for what function you are looking for a amount? You are looking for this. This is your VLOOKUP value. Okay. Now you need to just give a comma. Now you need to select a table array. Yes, exactly. You heard right. So now which table array it is? This date, this particular value data we are importing from this table. So now you can see this is what a function from which we are going to capture the data, and our data is what? The marks. So we are capturing this data, right? Now I want to fix the data because when I go for the L section, obviously if I not fix this particular range, it will be shipped down. So I need to just select this term and press Fn and F4, or you are using only your computer keyboard, then press only F4. So what exactly it does, it provides dollars to before the variables, okay, before the columns variables. So it due to which this table is now fixed. So range from A to L is fixed, correct? After that press comma. Now it asking in particular which particular column you are looking value. It means which value you are looking for. So this is your column number 1, okay, and this is your column number 2. If just consider this particular function, okay, there is a certain value where you are looking value in this particular column. It means you need to consider column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number column you have to mention here. But in this case, here only column number 1 and column number 2. It means we are looking in a column number 2 for this particular student. So our answer will be 2 over here. Then put comma. Now whatever we are looking for it, we need an exact match. So that's why we want an exact match, and then complete this bracket and press enter. You can see the L value here, which is 34, it reflecting here. Now I'll just click on this particular table, okay, right? Sorry, the I value over here, okay. So just I double click on this and just double click here. You can see the B value is 50, is mentioned here. A value is 20, you can see. The K value is 44, the K value is 44. G value is 29, G value is 29. F value is 23, F value is 23. L is 49, L is 49, and I is 34, I is 34. That's very easy, okay. Now let's consider your value is mentioned in this block. Like just consider, I'm just taking as any random numbers, okay. Let me just write the random number over here, okay. So you need to, and you can understand very easily, right? 0, 1.5, okay. Now I want to reflect the figures, like I want to just update this table and want to look into this particular column. What I'll do is I will select my table and extend to particular this column. Now I'm looking in this particular column for this particular variables. So my column number will change from 2 to how much? This is first column, second column, third column, 4, 5th, this is a 6th number column. So it will be replaced to by 6 and just press enter. So see, my all figures are now updated based upon the particular range. So they see the L is 1.5. Okay, so here VLOOKUP function will help you to scrutinize, to validate, or to to just segregate your variables data in simplest way by reflecting a column number and their data. So in this video, I taught you how to use VLOOKUP function. In upcoming video, we are going to learn more about this. So thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.